All right, here we are now at one of the beaches here at Hamlin Beach State Park. And once again, we got the waves crashing down here. Dad is right behind me. Dad just stormed into me. Water's pretty brown over here. A little bit more clear blue further out. We're right close to the beach where we got big sandbar and stuff. That's why it's so brown here. Did you hear that? My dad said dirty water. Sorry, the wind kind of lifted the camera a little bit, but got both hands on it now. Well, man, the waves are really on over here. Check out over here.